Hey everyone, today's lesson is going to be a bit of a review. We did these biological levels early on in the year. I hope some of you remember making up the ribbon of life, where we started at atoms and we worked our way all the way up through organisms. This is sort of a review of that, and we're going to use the Amoeba Sisters to do that. I know you're all big fans of these two ladies. So here's the first thing I would like you to do. You're going to watch the Amoeba Sisters video, and you're going to have these two pages to keep in mind while watching those videos. The first one is a writing exercise. Right here, what you're going to do is you're going to pretend that you were volunteering in a kindergarten classroom, and you have one of those really smart kindergartners that asks you about, hey, how do tissues and cells and organ systems all work together? So it's going to be up to you to take these words and be able to write in a way that maybe a kindergartner would be able to understand it. You're going to use that cartoon over on the side here, right here, to kind of explain to that little kindergartner how these things are interconnected. See how creative you can be by trying to explain this to a kindergartner. The last part of this assignment is that you're going to answer these questions 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In this first area up here, you're going to create some sort of graphic that shows the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. For parts 3 through 8, what you have to do is you have to decide on a biome. You have to select a biome. And there's lots of biomes out there. You've got rainforests, deserts, marine biomes. So you need to choose one, and then you need to write it in this line down here in number 7. So I'm not going to give any away. My biome I'm going to talk about is Mars. Based on the biome that I chose, you now have to answer 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 as to what items, biotic and abiotic, go into those categories. When you're done, you'll submit this to the assignment Biological Levels of Organization.